Maryland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Marion, southern Morrow, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:11 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near LaRue and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Gilead, Prospect, Waldo, Cardington, Chesterville, Sparta. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.